Hi, I'm Corey Wilsbacher with Nix, located here in Poseyville, and we're outside the repairs and maintenance division. So this semi-trailer is something that we've rebuilt up here for a customer as a cost-effective way of not buying new and just refurbishing what they already own. So some of the things that we did on this was we replaced the front of the frame, the slide and the kingpin on the trailer. We went through the welds, just checked all the corrosion parts, kind of cleaned it up some, and then we repainted the whole thing. On the back, what we did was we replaced the back section of the frame here on the outside of the bulk tanks, the support structures, and replace the undercarriage of it. Repairs and maintenance is the legacy of Nix. So if you've got a project, big or small, and you need help having a cost-effective solution, just think of us.